Welcome to our solar energy tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to connect solar panels in series and parallel to maximize efficiency and output. First, let's understand the basics. Connecting panels in series increases the voltage, while connecting them in parallel increases the current. To connect panels in series, you'll connect the positive terminal of one panel to the negative terminal of the next. This is ideal for systems that require higher voltage, like grid-tied systems. Ensure your connections are secure and use proper connectors. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. For parallel connections, you'll connect all the positive terminals together and all the negative terminals together. This setup is used when you need more current, such as in off-grid systems. Use a combiner box to make this process easier and safer. It also helps in troubleshooting if you face any issues later on. Now, let's see both connections in action. On the left, we have series, and on the right, parallel. Notice the differences in voltage and current in both setups. Choose the one that fits your system's needs. Once you've connected your panels, it's time to connect them to your inverter. Remember, safety first, always shut off the system before making any electrical connections. And there you have it. You're now ready to harness the power of the sun with your solar panels. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more solar energy tips and tricks.